So let's go ahead and go through the process of creating a tour. So this tour is going to be ZimbabWee Tiny Tots Adventures. And we don't have any description yet, so let's type in, there's no description yet, but in the meantime, enjoy this nice photo. Let's go ahead and open up a new tab and do a search for Flickr search to open up the Flickr search page. Let's go ahead and click on the topmost link because we want to do an advanced search to find a piece of content that we can use in this site. So I'm going to search for Zimbabwe. And let's go ahead and do only Creative Commons content, so we know we can use it within our site. Okay, this photo looks good. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And under this share item here, I'm going to grab the HTML BB code for this. I'm going to go ahead and copy the HTML here, which is simply a link and an image. And I'm going to jump back to the site and paste in that code. Let's take a look at it real quick. So we have a href, so this is a link. And when that ends, an image tag starts that points to a Flickr image. And then the link ends. All right, let's go ahead and scroll down. Under text format, we'll go ahead and leave that as is for now. Under dates, let's go ahead and set a date for the future. Click on this. We'll choose November 2020, November 4th. And this is just a single day. We'll scroll down. Under tour type, we'll choose extreme snorkeling. And the guide is going to be Joey Smitty, the user that's currently logged in. And under location, we're going to choose Zimbabwe. And because we already have a piece of content that's located in Zimbabwe, we can simply type in a couple of letters and choose an option from the dropdown. And it will fill it in for us. All right, let's go ahead and click Save. Okay, so here's our content. We see the description, we see the dates and the guide, the tour type and the location, but we don't see the picture. Let's go ahead and go back to edit the content and make sure we actually put it in. Okay, it's right here, so it should display, right? Well, we've bumped into our first issue with text formats.